Which brings us to Section 2, the legal shields explained.
Enter the Certificate of Beneficial Ownership. Now, this document is an absolute game changer. What it does is it separates the legal title of a property from the actual economic interest. So this certificate acts as your ultimate shield. It ensures that even if someone else holds the main title, like a developer or a trust, your economic interests cannot be legally overridden by the majority. It guarantees, in writing, that you are entitled to your share of the profits and the appreciation.
But what about those mainland titles in Nigeria? Let's quickly clarify those, starting with the right of occupancy, or the R of O. Before you ever get the full, final certificate, the R of O is that initial, super valuable government allocation that actually proves you have the right to be on that land. It's a crucial first stage, usually granted by the state in urban areas or by local governments in customary cases.
And then, of course, we have the Certificate of Occupancy, the famous C of O. So, to put it simply, while the R of O is the right itself, the C of O is the ultimate long-term formal proof of that right. But here is the kicker for fractional investors. Your specific name might not actually be printed on this C of O. And that is exactly why having your own personal certificate of beneficial ownership is so absolutely critical.
So what actually gives that beneficial ownership document its teeth? Well, if your document just casually says equal shares and leaves out the specifics, it's pretty much just a symbolic piece of paper. Zero practical protection. You need exact percentages, like 33.33%. You need crystal clear buyout mechanisms, strict voting thresholds for selling, income distribution formulas, and solid dispute resolution guidelines. You need all of this so a random disagreement doesn't completely paralyze your investment.